and a non-metal in it, and it's a solid. I put it into distilled water and mixed it around so we have a mixture. That mixture is homogeneous, evenly mixed through, and we'll call it a solution. Special kind of mixture. We'll learn more about solutions later. I am going to light the flame so that you can see the color that the flame naturally burns. So the gas itself is burning what color? What color?
Blue.
Blue. All right, a stick burns. Oh, see, it's got chemicals on it.
Red.
A stick normally burns orange. All right, so you can see those two controls. Now, this one is a mix of copper and chlorine. Green. So we're going to write down green. Kennedy, do you get the green color?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. We are going to write on our paper green, Cu for copper, and Cl for chlorine. Can you get that on the board and then go back to the flame? Number 2, the metal is strontium and the non-metal is chlorine.
Ooh.
Is the red showing on the black background?
Mm-hmm.
So red. So that is Sr and Cl, and the color is red. Number 3, the metal is lithium, Li, and the non-metal is chlorine, Cl.
Red.
But is it the same color red?
No, it's like a purpley red.
Right, and we're going to call that magenta.
Yeah.
Number 3 is magenta. There you go.
Oh my God.
Number 4, the metal is sodium, Na, the non-metal is chlorine, Cl.
Orange.
No, but it's a dim orange.
It's like
Right, it's not a
bright
pure orange, it's a yellow orange.
like pumpkin.
But we're going to call it yellow orange, not pumpkin. Although later I'm going to have to take that back. All right, the next one, copper and sulfate. Cu is the metal, sulfate is the non-metal. I'll tell you what that is in a minute.
It's like
Green.
green, yellow.
But the stick burns quickly, so just put green. This burns through very quick, and the yellow is from the stick burning through. So this one is green, it's copper and sulfate, SO4. Number 6, the metal is potassium, K, and the non-metal is chlorine, Cl.
It's like
We're going to call it peach. So where we
Peachy.
didn't use pumpkin, we will use peach.
Peachy.
yeah.
Look at it.
So that one was K and Cl, and the color was peach. The metal of this one is barium, Ba, and the non-metal is chlorine. Yellow, straight yellow. So that is
You need to start
yellow.
moving it down.
Hmm?
You start
I'm moving it down.
I will.
Yeah.
Next one, number 8. The metal is calcium, Ca, and the non-metal is chlorine.
Red.
Oh, it's like a orange red.
Orange red. Very good. Orange red. Metal was calcium, non-metal chlorine, color orange red. The last known is the metal sodium and the non-metal nitrate.
Orange.
That's that yellow orange. So now we're going to do an unknown. I'm not going to tell you what this one is. You're just going to record the color, and then we're going to compare and see some patterns in our data and use that to determine what it might be.
It's like a red heat.
It's like the magenta again.
Oh, it's
Okay,
red.
yes, I would agree. Magenta, we'll write down magenta. And we'll put a question mark for the metal and a question mark for the non-metal.